Kia ora, my name is Richard Jeffries. I'm part of the Ruakura team at Tainui Group Holdings. Ruakura is a large-scale project that TGH is managing. It is a development project which will cover 480 hectares of the 608 hectares that was settled by Waikato Tainui in 1995. So we seek to develop an inland port and surrounding logistics development and build that out over the next 30 to 50 years. We expect that around about 10 to 12,000 jobs will be created over the next 30 to 50 years as we develop out Ruakura. That will start off slow, as these things do, but we anticipate that as we see growth with our development across the whole site, that jobs will come with that. Yeah, it's taken 10 years to get to this point where the site has been given the tick of approval. Stage 1 has been completely consented, and that's allowed us to get underway with the project. And what that means is that we can start looking for an anchor tenant for the site, which is a process we expect to conclude by the end of this year and hopefully turn dirt by the end of 2017. We recently went out to market with an expression of interest for a port operator, so we'll go global with that one and expect to appoint a port operator within the first quarter of 2017. So there's a lot of things converging at the moment, and it reflects quite an exciting time for the tribe.